Chapter 3 Life Processes in Living Organism, Standard 10, Science 2.
Hello students, today we are going to see next topic of our 10th standard. Let us see what it is. In our last session, we studied asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. Now we are going to see asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. What do you mean by multicellular organism? The organism which are present in more than one cell. एका ऑर्गॅनिझम मध्ये एकापेक्षा जास्त सेल असतात. ऑल दोज ऑर्गॅनिझम आर कॉल्ड ॲज मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम. So this multicellular organism, asexual reproduction, first part is fragmentation. What exactly happens in fragmentation? Spirogyra, it is found in ribbon-like structure. It is found in its body is ribbon-like. Okay, so it is break down into pieces. Suppose this is the entire Spirogyra. It get break down accidentally by any reason. It get back down. Suppose this piece again develop, regenerate into new individual, and this is called as fragmentation. Let us see in detail.
Whenever there is plenty of water and nutrients are available to Spirogyra, its filament grow up very fast and break up into small fragments. Each fragment start living independently as a new Spirogyra fiber. If the body of cycon break up accidentally into small pieces or fragment, each fragment develop into new cycon. This is the process of fragmentation in multicellular organism.
Our next topic is regeneration. आपल्या शरीरामध्ये लिव्हर आहे. If you have any of your relative have problem in his liver, the doctor tell to replace it. If it is replaced with the blood relation relative, and that small piece is again regrown or regenerated into complete liver. No, lizard म्हणजे पालीची शेपूट तुटलेली कधी पाहिले तुम्ही? मग ज्यावेळेस ती पालीची शेपूट तुटते त्यावेळेस ती शेपूटसुद्धा थोडे वेळ वळवळ करते आणि नंतर ती शेपूट जी आहे ती शांत होऊन जाते. पण पाल जी आहे ती मरून जात नाही. आणि त्याच पालीला तुम्ही कंटिन्युअसली ऑब्झर्व केलं तर नियर अबाउट विदिन 2-3 months यू विल फाइंड दॅट लिझार्ड कम्प्लिटली डेव्हलप स्टेल. त्याची टेल जी आहे ती पूर्णपणे डेव्हलप झालेली असते. Why it is only because of this process of regeneration. But here in multicellular organism, this regeneration we are going to see example of planaria. We all know that planaria is a organism, but if it is cut down into pieces, each piece of it will develop into new individual, new planaria. So if one planaria is break down into 3 pieces, each piece will develop into new planaria. So you will get 3 planaria. So this process is called as regeneration. We will see it in detail now.
Look at these two parts. They are completely developed planaria. Suppose this is parent planaria. It is break down into 3 parts: head, body and tail. Look at the upper diagram. Head is further developed into complete planaria, and lower diagram, that is tail, it is again developed into complete planaria. So this is beautiful example of regeneration. You must go through the textbook again and read it carefully.
Budding is the process in which single hydra start developing a bud in its one corner, and then this bud completely develop into new individual, new hydra is developed from that particular small bud. Okay, we will see it in detail.
Hydra under favorable condition at specific part of its body, and outgrowth is formed by repeated division of regenerative cells of body wall. This outgrowth is called as bud. Look at this carefully diagram. You can see the bud growing outward. This bud slowly develop into parent hydra supplied by nutrient to the budding hydra. Budding hydra separate from parent hydra at start and start to lead an independent life when it grow up and become able to lead an independent life and individual hydra is developed.
Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation here we will see it with diagram and we will see practically if it is possible in our school. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ब्रह्मकमळाचं झाड पाहिलेलं आहे. छोटंसं रोप असतं ब्रह्मकमळाचं, तर त्याच्या एका पानापासून दुसरं पान डेव्हलप होतं. हे जर तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल तर दॅट इज द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन. वी विल सी इट इन डिटेल.
Reproduction in plants with the help of vegetative parts like root, stems, leaf and bud is called as vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation in potato is performed with the help of eyes present on tube, whereas in Bryophyllum it is performed with the help of buds present on the leaf margin.
Fifth part, it is spore formation. We all know that फंगस डेव्हलप होतात तर त्यांच्यावर स्पोर होतात आणि ते स्पोर स्प्रेड होतात आणि त्याच्यापासून नवीन फंगाय तयार होतात. तो दिस स्पोर फॉर्मेशन इज अगेन अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ asexual reproduction in multicellular organism.
Fungi like mucor have filamentous body. They have sporangia. Once the spore are formed, sporangia burst and spore are released. Spores germinate in moist and warm place and new fungal colony is formed. याचं बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल आपण सगळ्यांनी आपल्या ब्रेडवर पाहिलेले आहेत. ब्रेडचे स्लाइस जर तुम्ही कॅरी बॅगमध्ये पॅक करून ठेवले तर 4 ते 5 दिवसामध्येच तुम्हाला त्या ब्रेडच्या स्लाइसवर ग्रीनिश येलोइश कलरचं एक लेअर आलेला दिसतो ज्याला आपण बुरशी म्हणतो. दॅट इज नथिंग एल्स बट इट इज fungi which is developed on the slide of bread.